this 5-minute solution will show you how to connect Facebook page with Instagram. To connect your Facebook page with Instagram, you have to open browser on your computer and now open Facebook. Now make sure to switch to the Facebook page where you want to add or connect to your Instagram account. Once you are in your page profile, click on Professional Dashboard. Scroll down here and click on Linked Accounts. And here, make sure to select Instagram. And now, click on Connect Account. Click on Connect. If you want to connect your Instagram message also, then you have to enable this option and click on Confirm. And now you have to log into your Instagram account here. Once done, as you can see, I've successfully linked my Instagram to my Facebook page. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.